The ThoughtStretchers Education Grow 25 PBL Conference is an intimate and affordable 2.5-day workshop designed for educators seeking a rejuvenating professional development experience. Unlike large-scale summer conferences, Grow 25 offers a focused environment where participants can recharge, grow, and create. Hosted by ThoughtStretchers Education, the conference emphasizes deeper learning through knowledge-rich, inquiry-based methods, ensuring that educators leave with practical strategies to build surface, deep, and transfer learning. Join us to connect with like-minded professionals and gain hands-on experience in project-based learning. PBL Grow 25 will help you design and implement meaningful, engaging, and impactful project-based learning with a step-by-step guide to planning and a deep dive into the phases of implementation. Since 2017, our PBL Grow Summer Conference events have been centered around our popular Foundations of Project-Based Learning workshop, and we're excited to return to the amazing Lynn Family Soccer Stadium's Fifth Third Club Room, home of Racing Louisville FC and Louisville City FC soccer teams. Are you ready to grow your teaching and spark deeper thinking and learning in your classroom? Join us for ThoughtStretchers Education PBL Grow 25, an open registration conference and workshop where you can learn how to design and implement project-based learning by creating a project for implementation in your school. Join educators from around the world to grow your teaching craft in an intimate and unique setting. Our 6th annual PBL Grow event returns June 23rd in downtown Louisville, Kentucky, and we'd love to help you grow your teaching with project-based learning so you can better prepare students for the modern world. Register now at wegrowteachers.com/grow25 with discounted pricing for early birds and group registrations. Need to pay by purchase order? No problem. Recharge, grow, and create in the heart of Bourbon Country at PBL Grow 25.